morning, madam. I'm from Group 5. Today I want to present about lag conversion. Introduction. Unit conversion is a fundamental concept in science, engineering, and everyday application. It allows measurement expresses in one unit be converted into another, ensuring consistency and accuracy in communication and computation. This project focuses on lag unit conversion, covering widely used units such as metric units, millimeters, centimeters, cm, meters, and kilometers, km. Imperial units, inch, feet, and millers. Application of lag conversion. Science and engineering, standardizing measurement in experiment and design. Construction, interpreting dimension provide in different unit system. Travel and mapping, calculating distances between location in metric or imperial system. This project implements a MIPS assembly program for converting between the above unit. User can input a value, select the current unit and the design target unit, and receive the converted result as output. This program demonstrates the application of arithmetic, branching, and looping constructs to perform accurate conversion. Okay, and now look at the assembly. First part is data statement. For these three: input value, input unit, output unit. These strings are prompt for the user to enter data, and result message and invalid message used to display result and error message. And float is conversion factor. The float directive define constant for converting between different units. For example, like millimeter to meter, inch to meter. Okay, go to the next part. Tax global man. This is the taxation. Tax global amend. This marks the entry point of the program main function. And this part is prompt for input value. $V04 $V04. This load the system call code for printing a string into register $V0. $A0 input value. This load the address of the input value string into register $A0. System call. Execute the system call to print the string. And this part, $V06, load the system call code to read a float from the user into $V0. System call. Execute the system call to read the float value. MOV S $F12 $F0, move the value from the $F0 register, which hold the float input, to $F12. Go to this part, prompt for input unit. Unit for input. Similar to previous step, this part print the input unit selection message using system call code 4. And this part LI$V05 system call code to read an integer. Move $T0, $V0, move the input integer, the selected unit to register $T0. And this part is input validation. BLT and BGT, this branch instruction check if the input unit is within the valid range. If it's not, the program jump to invalid input unit. And this part is invalid input unit. Until this part also invalid. Okay, now go to the next part. This part is conversion calculation. This part will convert every input to mm. LS meaning loads the conversion factor from mm to meter into the floating point register $F1. MULS multiples the input values stored in $F12 by the conversion factor $F1 and store the result in $F2. As this part will convert every input to meter first. mm to meter, cm to meter, meter to meter, km to meter, inch to meter, foot to meter, and miller to meter. And this part will convert the mm to output. This part, div mean divides the result by the conversion factor to convert from meter to the desired output unit. You convert meter to mm, meter to cm, meter to meter, meter to km, meter to inch, meter to foot, meter to miller. And this display result. And this part is display result. LI$V04, LI$V02. This is system call for printing a string and a float respectively. And MOVS $F12, $F3, move the final result into $F12 for printing. And this is the last part. LI$V010, system call to exit the program. And SYS call is execute the exit system call. And let us see the output. Run, assemble, start. Okay, run input or output, enter the value to convert. For example, 100, press enter, select the input unit. Number 1 is mm, number 2 is cm, 3 is meter, 4 is km, 5 is inch, number 6 is foot, number 7 is miller. So let us choose number 3, meter. Enter, select the output unit. 1 mm, 2 is cm, 3 is meter, 4 is km, 5 is inch, 6 is foot, and 7 is miller. So choose the number 4, km. Enter. Okay, so the answer is 0.1. 100 meter convert to km is 0.1 km. That's all. Thank you.